This shit looks like
it's taking out my eyebrow. I need that.
I can't even laugh. That was crazy.
Look at my face. Look at it.
I'm peeling.
You look so appealing.
That was too.
No one wants to play with you, Tila. We're busy. That was fun.
It was.
Gonna put on the next one.
Hell yeah.
Alright. Time to do the next one. Bye.